Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we review and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's video, we have something exciting for all you Xbox gamers out there. It's the accessories for Xbox Elite Controller Series 2, a 13-in-1 replacement kit by KOOWOD. We'll break down everything you need to know about this accessory kit, so you can decide if it's worth upgrading your gaming experience. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The package arrives well protected and neatly organized. Inside, you'll find a variety of components, including replacement paddles, thumbsticks, and D-pads, all in a stylish black and gold color scheme. The packaging reflects the quality of the product, making it suitable for gifting or personal use. One of the standout features of this accessory kit is the level of customization it offers for your Xbox Elite Controller Series 2. You'll get 2 interchangeable D-pads, a range of thumbsticks, and various paddles. This means you can tailor your controller to fit your unique gaming style and preferences. Wondering if this kit is compatible with your controller? The good news is that it works not only with the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2 core but also with other Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2 models. So, whether you have the core version or another variant, you can still enjoy the benefits of this accessory kit. These replacement parts are made to match the quality of the original Xbox Elite Series 2 components. They feel durable, responsive, and comfortable during gameplay, ensuring that your gaming experience remains top-notch. The accessories for Xbox Elite Controller Series 2 kit comes at a reasonable price of $29.99. Considering the level of customization and the quality of the components, it offers excellent value for gamers looking to enhance their controller. If you're interested in exploring similar products, there are various alternatives available, such as different color schemes and designs. Some of these options may offer additional features or unique aesthetics to suit your preferences. This product has received overwhelmingly positive reviews from customers, with an average rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars. Users have praised its ease of installation and the improvement it brings to their gaming experience. In conclusion, the accessories for Xbox Elite Controller Series 2 by KOOWOD offers an excellent way to customize and upgrade your gaming controller. With a wide range of components, compatibility with different Xbox Elite controllers, and a reasonable price point, it's a great investment for gamers. Before we wrap up, consider your gaming needs and preferences. If you're looking to take your Xbox gaming to the next level, this accessory kit is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.